Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little house filled with sunshine, lived a fluffy gray cat named Mittens. Mittens had big bright green eyes and a very curious mind. The living room was Mittens' favorite place, especially the big colorful television and the little remote control that sat on the soft, yellow couch. One sunny afternoon, while the family was out, Mittens was exploring the couch. Her paw accidentally bumped the remote. The television screen flickered to life, showing colorful fish swimming in a blue ocean. Mittens blinked, fascinated by the moving pictures. The little buttons on the remote looked interesting. Mittens gently batted at a small round button with her paw. The picture on the screen changed. Now there were fluffy birds flying in a green forest. Mittens tilted her head, her whiskers twitching. This was a fun game. She spent the afternoon carefully pressing different buttons, watching birds sing and fish swim. When the family came home, they settled on the couch to watch their favorite cartoon. But the channel kept changing. First it was a documentary about penguins waddling in the snow. Then it switched to busy bees making honey. "What's going on?" asked Lily, the little girl with bright red hair. Her dad picked up the remote, but the channel changed again to a slow-moving snail. They were all very puzzled. Suddenly Lily saw Mittens sitting on the couch, her paw hovering near the remote. Lily giggled. "Maybe it's Mittens," she said. They watched as Mittens gently nudged a button with her nose, and the channel flipped to a program about squirrels collecting nuts. The family laughed. They realized their clever cat had learned to use the remote. From that day on, sometimes when they turned on the TV, they would find it tuned to a nature show. They didn't mind too much, because they knew Mittens was just exploring her interesting new discovery. One evening, Lily decided to watch a show about playful kittens. She carefully showed Mittens the remote, and gently guided her paw to the button that showed the kitten channel. Mittens watched the screen with wide eyes, purring happily. Lily smiled. Sharing the TV with Mittens, and even learning what she liked to watch, was a fun thing to do. It made their time together even more special.
Please subscribe. Thank you.